The game is on. Oh, announcement, players. For non-complete wearing of the jersey. And we all know up, not available, you have -5 points. If down is not available, you have 5 minus points, both 10 points. Let's go, let's go. Acedera to Chris Lee. Out of bounds. Block. Block. Automatic yan. Favor yan. Basta talbibigay. Number 91, De La Peña, looking for an opening. Pass to number 9. Sorry, unfortunately, not shoot. Oy, muntik na. Nakuha ng kasama. Uncle Ray, number 98. Hesitating pass to De La Peña again. Taking the perimeter. 2 points for number 91, De La Peña. From Magrat, Mitsubishi. Matera, number 24. All right, unfortunately not shoot. Wala. Same spot? No, not same spot. Sideline, 2 points from number 9 from Mitsubishi Magrat. Bonex, the mailman of the team. Pareas, and there's a foul, and 1. 2 points for number 33. Substitution rip. The big man in. Kinit ko rin dito. Naman na yun yung Austria ba yun? Austria ba yun? Austria eh. JP. Unfortunately out of bounds. Matira, number 24 to Rocha for 3. Muntik na. Tinapik ang bola, lumabas sa kalye. Bola ng Magrat. Number 98, Uncle Joe. Tori Chihab. Rebound na si Dera. Pass to Bonex, the mailman, number 3. Looking for an opening. May pasa sa gitna. Balik kay Matira. Bonex, back to Bonex. Uy! Pasa sa, backout. Bonex 2 points. Hindi pa nag-iinit ang ating mga player. Inaantay namin ng uulan ng mga tres. JP49. Rocha. Pasa kay Matera. Bonex to Asidera. Uy, muntik na ang mabitawan ng bola. Uy, tinapik ang bola palabas. Bola ng puti. Pastilan. Pasa kay Rodziao. Gumawa ng pick. Pasa pala kay Chris. Chris tumira ng 3. Bang! Walang kadulas-dulas ang pumasok ang bola sa isang butas na nag-i-score ng 3. Adrian, number 91. AK De La Peña, number 9. Dalawa po. 2 points from this macho guy. Bonex now, nagdadala ng bola. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Gumawa ng dribbling skill. Yun o, tumira ng perimeter. Wala. Rebound, number 9. Uy, ganda ng pasok ni Bonex. Tamang-tama, parang kape. Sayang, hindi po na-convert ang pasa na yan. De La Peña, naghahanap ng conversion. And there's a foul. Foul number 3. Second team foul. Magra. Oh, sorry. Simply Finn Ruiz. One point for 91. Bonex 2. Batang Crane for 3. Bang bang. Wala. Tolang. Kulang ang tolang. Oh, what a left hand made by number 91. Ibang-iba yun. Pumasok. Hoy! Ano yun? Bonex. Slide pass for Chris Lee. 2 points for Chris Lee. Uncle Joe. So Batang Joe, 2 points. Yeah. Matera, number 24. Taking the perimeter, wala. Rebound Siab, the big man. Number 91 to number 9. Number 9, umatake. Uy, sa kanya pala yung rebound. Iba talagang matangkad. Advantage sa rebound. Uy, sa kanila pa rin ang bola. Kinuha niya diyan. Balik. The same pass. For 3. Iba talaga. Iba talaga ang gigigil. Blind pass from Chris Lee. Oh, sorry, Bonex. Bonex from Bonex. Adrian. Uncle Joe. What a corner spot from Uncle Joe. 2 points from Uncle Joe. Asidera. What a follow-up from Asidera from Bonex. Yan ang komunikasyon na walang putol. Score daw, score. Score doll. And there's a foul. Pumasok. Rebound, Chris Lee. So, Crow, surod siya, wala. Na-anticipate ng Magrat yung bola. Alright, number 9, GB. Tumatrabaho, pasa kay Sihab. Sihab, uy, nag-iiba ang pasok ni Sihab. Sihab pa rin ang bola. Uy! Matirang matibay, bang! Wala. Adrian. Uy, ganda. Ganda ng steal sana. Iba talaga ang marunong. Eight seconds to shoot. Of Magrat. For GP. 2 points from GP. Uy! Bumawi ng +1 si Chris Lee. 3 points for Chris Lee. JB again. Bam! Bumawi! Ito na ang hinahanap natin. Nag-uulan ng trace. Magdala na po kayo ng payong. Kasi mababasa tayo. Ito, bumawi din. 4-3. Wala. Tapik ni Sihab. Papunta kay Pugi. O, yun o. Mga dribbling skill na yun o. What a pass! What a pass from number 91. No-look pass. Pero may titigang mata sa likod. Matira, hindi makatulog. Pasa kay Bonex. Bonex pumasok. Uy, ang ganda ng pasa, oh. Parang tumatay lang. 2 points from Bonex. Alright, GP. Gumawa ng slow motion. Tumira pala ng 3. Muntik na. Rebound ng Uncle Joe. Aljo. Hesitating pass. Nakuha ni Asidera. Uy! Bumalik ang bola sa 18 sa Magrat. Yun o. Mga fake move ni Uncle Joe. Nakuha ni... Uy! Nagpapalitan lang o. Nagpapalitan lang ng mga IQ. And there's a foul. Foul number 33, Barang Crane. Hindi po ba bintahan ng ano ngayon? Hindi po bintahan ng timeout substitution dahil 5 lang sila. Alright, end of the first quarter, end the first half. Alright, back to the ball game. Welcome to the second quarter of the first half. Butik na. Alright, Chris Lee nangunguna sa takilya. Chris Lee using the boards, 2 points. Easy basket from Chris Lee. Pogi to number 9 to Chia Bandar sa foul. Chia. Oh, Maararo. Wow, what a move from number 34. Iba talaga ang malaki. Number 3, Bonex. Bonex, gumagawa, nagtatrabaho. Umikot-ikot, pinasa kay Chris. Pasok. Ba talaga mga veterano gumagalaw sa gitna ng gyera. Number 91, Tupugi. Umikot, using the boards. Ay, sobra. Rebound, Asadera. Asadera, ninintay ang kasama. Ayaw niyang magtawid na mag-iisa. Kailangan may kasama. Matira for 3. Wala. Malas talaga siya na corner na yan. Lilipat ka, lipat ka, lipat ka. Ano lang yan? Alright, number 10, 91, De La Peña. Guarded by number 24, JP. Wala. Hindi spot niya yun. Ito ngayon, number 3, Bonex. Bounce pass. Tinakuha ni Chris Lee. Sayang. Nanghihinayang ang pasa. Convert na sana yun. Alright, inbound situation. Back-to-back pass. Pasionista. Tumera. Bang! Iba talaga ang veterano. Pasionista, number 12. Chris Lee again. Wala. Batang Crane to Bonex. Parehas. Chris Lee rebound, umikot. Using the boards. 2 points from number 16. GP. Up. Ayun o, muntik na. Asidira, nagigigil. Atake. Pasa pala. 2 points. From Bonex. Si Hab. Sobra. Batang Crane to Bonex. Bonex. Behind the pass. 2 points from Matira. Adrian, number 91, guarded by Bonex, pasa kay JP. JP taking the perimeter. Muntik nang pumasok. Rebound, Sihab. Ayun, hinugasan ni Sihab yung ring. Mamaya, shoot na yan. Bonex. Pasa kay Asidera. Back pass. Tumira ng perimeter. 2 points from Asidera. Number 91, Adrian. Pasa kay AJP. AJP taking the shot. Muntik na. Rebound Batang Crane. Pasa kay Bonex. Bonex ngayon nagtatawid ng bola. Hinahanap si Matira. Pasa sa gitna. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Sayang. Sayang. Sumobra ang ikot ng bola. Uy. Nagkabulbol si Angkol. Oh, ganda mo. Mga pasa ni Pasionista. Oh. That's 2 points. Oh, what an underneath shoot from Batang Crane. A timeout from... Okay, all right, we would like to announce from PBO Originals, we are live on air. We would like to thank the one who make us a view. This is PBA Originals. We would like to thank to our sponsors. Without you guys, we cannot make these activities. All right, back to the ball game. All right, work. All right, De La Peña, looking for an opening. Pasa kay JP. JP guarded by Bonex. May pasa sa ilalim. Pasionista. Pasa kay Jihab. Iba talaga mga veterano. Alam na yung mga galawan. No? To Mr. Pugi. Bang! That shoot is brought to you by PBA Originals. Yes. Bonex, umikot. Parang 360. 180 lang pala. Rebound, Chris Lee. Balik kay Bonex. Bonex taking the perimeter shot. 2 points from Bonex. Alright, nagpapahinga mga player natin. Lumalakad na lang, lumalakad. Number 91, pasa kay the center man, the big man, Shihab. Sobra. Rebound Bonex, pasa kay Matira. Matira to Chris Lee. Ayay, pinasa pala. Yun ang tinatawag natin ng kissing of the ball. Adrian, number 91, De La Peña, guarded by Bonex. Pasa kay Mr. Pugi again. Wala. Rebound Chris Lee. Bonex. Ang ganda. Timeout. Simply Phil Louise.
Alright, PBAS Basketball is brought to you by PBAO Basketball is brought to you by Mazagana, Marty Culturas, Pinta, Mocha, Pokeball, 13 Home World Remit, Kois Lichon are in our sportswear, McGraw Mitsubishi, Simply Pin Wins, Henry Harvest, Napier and Beckley, Brown Beat Band. Alright, back to the ballgame.
Inbound situation, boys. Mr. Adrian to Mr. Pugi. Mr. Pugi. What a move! Ay, sumubrang ikot ng bola. Rebound Asidera looking for an opening, pasa kay Bonex. Yung tinatawag na drive pass. Passionista gumawa ng hustle. Underpass from 4 for Rochelle. 2 points from Rochelle. Number 91, Adrian, looking for an opening, guarded by Bonex. To Mr. Shihab, the mailman, the big man, umikot. Gumawa ng pictos, wala. Kulang. Pass to pass to the mighty, for the mighty 3. 2 points from Matira. GP, guarded by Matira, number 24. Gumawa ng dribbling skill. You know, iba talaga. Oh. Bang! Wala. And there's some foul. Masakit mo yung pumasok. Mr. number 33, Rochelle from Simply Pin Wiz. You are 3 personal foul. All right, let's advertise. Okay, this is the half break of the moment. The moment of time, the moment of truth. We would like to thank our sponsorship. Masagana, Mart Nicole Torres, Penta, 218 Mocha Pokeball, 13 Home World Remit, Kois Lichon, Arena, Magrat, Binju Parfum, Napier and Blakely, Triple B, Simply Pin Wiz, Henry's Harvest. That's all our sponsors. And from PBAO Originals, thank you for all your support. All right, back to the ball game. White ball. All right, Bonex. Pumasok sa tatlo, and there's a foul. Matira for 3. Putik na. All right, De La Peña now looking for an opening. Steering the wheel. Steering the drive. Oh, what a screen. JP. Bang. Wala. Rebound Bonex. Bonex now looking for an opening. Bounce pass, walang nakakuha. Black ball. Zero visibility. Zero visibility po tayo ang pasa ng bola. Uncle Joe! Alam mo, Jeff, sa Pibaw, unlimited. Barang Crane! Wala, what a nice guard by number 9. Number 9, umaatake guarded by Matirap. Kala ko pidaw eh. Uy, rebound ng dalawang mandirigma. Bonex, guarded by to the corner man. Matake. Uy, 2 points from number 24. Yan tinatawag na third drop from the board. Whoop! 8 seconds violation. Ganda ng komunikasyon ng puti. Talaga nagtitinginan sa ulap. Batang Crane to the corner man, to the opposite side. Pasa kay Asadira in the middle. Oops! Same ball. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Asadira for 3. Wala. Same. Rebound matira, number 24. Pasa kay Chris Lee. Wala. De La Peña, guarded by Bonex. Umikot si De La Peña. Kala ko maging Darna. Rebound Chris Lee. Uy, nadulas ang bola. Buti na lang napunta sa kasama niya. Asadera. And 1. There's a foul. Number 91. Gusto ko pa switch na yun Talagang siniporma. O yun o, ganda ng ikot ni Mr. Siap. Nakalusot pala to. Nakalusot. Asadera guarded by... Uy! Kina from left to right. Galing talaga. Batang Crane. Galing mga galawan na yan, no? Mga galawan ni Batang Crane. Parang nagkakapi sa ere. May kasama pang tsokolate. Two points from GP. Asadera to Bonex, guarded by number 91. Hesitation attack. Pasa kay 24. Uy! Ganda. Ay! Sayang. Uy! Yan tinatawag na hit bull. Huwag kang mag-alala, tol. Bibigyan ka ng helmet ng Pibaw. Bonex. Yung mga bluff bound, same ball. 91 now. 91, 91. And one. Uy, ganda ng pasa. Atake. Rebound matira. Matira ang matibay. Batang Krento, Chris Lee! Bang! 3 points from Chris Lee. That shoot is brought to you by Mocha Sweet and Savory. Ang ganda ng pasa. Not converted to production. Oh, what a blind pass from Uncle Joe going to number 9, DP. Bonix. Umatake, taking the perimeter. Wala. Nakuha ni Sihab. Uncle Joe to Mr. De La Peña. Umatake. Uy, iba talaga mga malilikot ang kamay sa matitigas na kamay. Uy, ganda oh. Pinakita. Ay, sumobra din. Sumobra. Ang aga ng take-off. Bonex, nagpaplano. Ang ganda. And there's a foul. Ganda ng mga... Timeout. Mitsubishi Magrat. All right, back to the ball game. All right, we would like to honor our fighting and conquering any bad elements of Australia. We would like to thank the previous men, to all mankind, the people foot. Unless we can't forget. And bear our hands and our left chest to obey and courtesy. Thank you all guys. Let's go! Bang! Muntik na! All right, Asidera number 14 controlling the ball. Less than 30 seconds in the third quarter. Bonex. Pasakay. Batang Crane under sa foul. Sa baba pa raw. Down. Sa baba daw yung foul.
All right. Game time. Back to the ball game. All right. Black ball. All right. 91 to number 9. Pull up 3. No good. Rebound by number 14 to number 3. Number 3. 33 to number 3. Oy, huli. Number 9 goes in short. Pull up, wala pa rin. Malas. Ganda ng pasak. Number 16 for 2. All right, number 24. Number 14. To number 3. Number 3, pull up 3. No good. Rebound by 91. 3 in 1. Uy. Huli pa. Ganda ng depensa. Uy, lumampas. Black ball tayo, white ball. White ball. Pull up. Malakas. Uy. There's a foul on number 3. Foul number 3 on black, white. Second personal foul number 3. Basket. Oy, kung sinong nakahanap ng Colts na bag, mayroong gold doon, ipabalik na lang dito sa lamisa. Ayun, nakita na. Doon lang sa car park. Siya lang din nakakita. Number 3, basket. Basket count. Who's foul rep? Number 34 foul. All right, rebound. Basket. Number 9. Number 9. To number 0, pull up. Shoot. Oy, ganda. Number 9 for 2. Score. Number 9, black. Ganda ng ikot. Number 33. Last touch wide. Passionista lang. Basket. Number 16 for 2. For 3, no good. Number 9. Tumira uli. Wala din. Number 12. Yun, tumira. Wala din. Rebound by 33. to 16. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Ayun. Binasa lang. 14 for 2. No, wala na. Para makakawit tayo maaga. Nandito ba yung sunod? Timeout, White. All right, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Ganda, number 14 for 2. Basket. Last 2 minutes. Number 9, long pass. Oy, exhibition point, number 12. Ball up 3. May picture pa yung kasama ha, wala. White ball tayo, white ball. Happy birthday, Ellen, ha? Happy birthday, Ellen. Kami na bahala sa inumin. Kain ka muna ng bilo-bilo. Number 9 for 3. Malakas. Alright, shake hands, boys, shake hands. Shake hands.
Shout out to my mom. I'm on TV. Op.